Hello, my name is Josiah Ray, creator and owner of jraystudios.com. I'm going to show you how to get a picture to appear on every page in Microsoft Word. And this is what's called watermarking, but there's a pretty cool way to do it. So here I am inside of Word, and if I scroll down you can see that there are a couple of different pages here. We're going to click on the Page Layout tab and come over to Watermark underneath Page Background. And we've got a few different ones that we can choose from that are built in, like Confidential and Do Not Copy. But we're going to click on the Custom Watermark. And we want to select an image or a picture, and we're going to click to choose our picture, and I've got this image just sitting on my desktop. So we'll insert that. And if we click Apply, you can see that barely anything shows up. And this is because watermarks default to a pretty washed out color. It's supposed to sit behind the text and just kind of be there so that you can see it but not really get in the way of the text. To change this, we can click on this washed out check mark and remove it. And if we click Apply now, you can see the image is much clearer. So we're going to close that. And there you go. We've got an image perfectly centered in the page. And as you can see before, we can change the scaling. But if we scroll down, the image is on the second page as well. And this will appear on every single page in your document. I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to get pictures to appear on every page of your document in Microsoft Word. I'm Josiah Ray.